Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to show you guys how I normally soak my duck down before I season it up. So let me show you. This is the duck. So one whole duck that I went and purchased, and this is the water that's boiling. Alright, so I'm gonna put 2 spices in the water: clove, orange peel, dry orange peel, dry lemon, right, and also some bay leaf. Stay tuned. So I put the bay leaf and I'm gonna let this boil. I'm gonna let this boil until you started to like change color and get a little brown. It's not gonna be too brown. And then I'm gonna add some cold water to this and soak the duck into it. Cold water. So I'm not gonna do it with this water boiling hot. Alright, so stay tuned. When this done, boil, soak, cool down, sorry, the water cold, and then I'm gonna soak the duck into the water for about 2 or 3 hours. Remember, I have to put salt into this water also some sugar. Right, I already add the salt and sugar. As I said before, when this water cool, I'm gonna rinse out the I'm gonna finish boiling, for matter of fact, and then I'm gonna add some cold water into this, wash out the duck. Then I'm gonna put this, throw this water on the duck and leave it to soak for like 4 hours. Alright, and then I'm gonna season it up, so stay tuned. So now this is an old duck. So what I'm doing, I had to cut the belly of the duck, and you could see the cut still here. This is the craw. Alright, and you have to be very careful when pulling this out, because they have something in here by the name of the gall, which is a bitter thing, and you have to be very careful. Let me see if I can see it. I can't see it. You see this? This is the gall. So I have to put this phone down, pull this out, and then I'm going to show you guys. So now this is it. This is the neck. Ready. This is the head that can throw out. This is the gall that I tell you guys about. This is the gall. This is the liver. This is the maybe the lungs or something. I don't know. This is the liver. This is the heart. And this is the guts. People just cook all of that. Everything just eat, but not me. Right? And this is the gizzard, where the food just go. And you gotta peel off this yellow part here. When I pull it off, I'm gonna show you guys. Cut this and show you inside. This is the heart again, and in the gizzard, or whatever you call it, where the food is going. And this thing just eats sun. Stay tuned. I didn't bother for this gizzard here. You see, I throw it out, throw it away. I don't like it. This lime, look at it. So now you see the water finished boiling, and as you can see, got a little brown color. I'm gonna add some cold water into this pot. In the way, just to cool the water down. See, yeah. I'm gonna let it for like cool down a little bit more, and then I'm gonna soak this down for like 3 hours. Then I'm gonna soak. When I finish soaking it down for 3 hours, then I'm gonna wash it out again. So this is the duck here, and then season it up. Okay. So now I finished soaking this down for like 3 hours. So what I'm gonna do is start to pack the seasoning in the belly of the duck and outside of the skin of the duck. Alright, inside the belly. This is the duck neck. I want to begin to get all under the skin of this duck, and then when I'm done, turn over the duck like this, and we get it in the back of the duck. So that when I finish rubbing it all on the skin, I'm going to come right back. Alright, so stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Well, after marinating this chicken for all day, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stuff it. But before I do so, I'm going to pat dry it. You know, because it have liquid from the seasoning that I season up it with. So I'm going to pat dry it as much as I can. And then I'm going to stuff it with some celery. Let's see. I have the gizzard and the neck from the turkey that I'm going to already place inside of the belly. All right. Remember, put seasoning all under the flesh in here. So so now I'm going to stuff it with, like, this is the orange, one orange, and this is some celery. I'm going to put it inside the belly. Alright. You know this is hard for hold it in and tight. Alright, so when I finish tying this, I'm gonna stuff it right here and see if it's gonna stay. Oh God, maybe I'm gonna do it the opposite side around. Stay tuned. So after tying it and everything, I have 1 tablespoon of 5 spice, which I'm gonna dab all over the outside. Because I already season up this duck in and out, I'm just gonna use the 5 spice to the outside. Gonna turn it all over, and I use my hands, okay? If you want, you can cut off the wing, cut it short, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna leave it like this. When I finish, I'm gonna put this to bake 350 degrees for 2 hours. So 1 hour, and then I'm gonna turn it over to the other hour, and then in the meanwhile, while it's cooking, I'm gonna make a glaze, so I'm gonna be able to paint it as it cooks, so I could get a nice golden brown color. All right. Seeing this. So. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna stay, but the oven is hot, and I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna take it and put it in. I'm gonna start from the back, then I'm gonna turn it over. All right. So I'll turn over the this turkey. So I'm gonna base it on this side here now. And then I'm gonna turn it right over back. Duck, sorry, duck, not turkey. I'm going to turn it right over. Oops. And you see the color it's getting there. Alright. I'm going to base this back again one more time. Why is the bottom going to be cooking? So we can keep doing this until we finish, alright? So I'm going to put this back in the oven for another half an hour. Then I will be turning it over again. Stay tuned. Yes, duck. If I was saying turkey all the time, I'm sorry. Making a mistake. I'm sorry again. If I did say turkey, then this is a duck. not take more than 2 hours to cook because I will cook it, okay? So it takes about 4 hours to cook through to the bone. Right? Every time that it forms this air, I throw it out. So I throw out the oil about 4 times. And I'm going to throw this off also. But this is it.